Dokploy is the one in this category with no features sitting behind a paid tier, because there is no paid tier. 26,000 stars on GitHub and 6 million downloads say people noticed. We review it, so you don't have to. Dokploy is an open-source, self-hostable platform as a service. Same idea as the paid control panels. You point it at a server, and it handles deploying and running your applications and databases. Except the whole thing is yours, with no vendor lock-in and nothing to unlock. It is flexible about how your code gets built. Nix packs if you want it figured out for you, Heroku build packs if that is your habit, or your own Docker file if you already know exactly what you want. Docker Compose applications work directly, and there is a governed sandbox for running apps in AI rote, which is a very 2026 thing to find in a deployment tool. Databases are covered: MySQL, Postgres, MongoDB, MariaDB, and Redis, with backups built in. Where it pulls ahead is scale. Multi-server deployment and Docker Swarm clustering are in the open source version, not held back for a business plan. Add roles and permissions, an API and a command line tool, live monitoring of processor, memory, and network, ready-made templates, and traffic handling the routing. 200 contributors keep it moving. There is a managed cloud if you would rather not run the thing that runs your things. So, the verdict. If you want one server made easy, either this or Easy Panel will do. If you want several servers, or clustering, or the certainty that no update puts a feature behind a paywall, this is the one. 9 out of 10. If this was useful, hit the like button, and subscribe so the next review finds you. Turn the bell on so you do not miss it. Thanks for watching.